Hello children, welcome to Academy Ambala. Today's video lesson is based on the poem number 5 from your English textbook First Flight. The name of the poem is The Ball Poem and the poet is John Berryman. A small introduction. The poet through his poem has described the reality of life which everyone has to face one day. He has touched the topic of how to stand up against the miseries and sorrows of life. Summary of the poem is: the poet has been watching a little boy playing with his ball. The ball slipped from his hand and went into the nearby water body. The boy is helplessly staring at the place where his ball had gone. He is sad and shocked. The poet says that he could have consoled him that he might get new balls, or he could also give him some money to buy another ball. But he stops himself from doing so because he thinks that the money may bring a new ball but will not bring the memories and feelings attached to the lost ball. He further says that the time has come for the boy to learn his responsibilities. Here, the poet wants to say that now the boy will learn the toughest lesson of life, the lesson of accepting the harsh realities of life, that losing things and relationship is part of life. Paragraph wise explanation. Coming to paragraph number 1. The poet is talking about a boy who has lost his ball. He wants to know about him and his reaction after losing the ball. Further, he asks himself what the boy will do after losing his ball. The poet has seen the ball going away from the boy. He says that the ball bounced down the street and into the river. In this paragraph, the poet has used the literary devices, imagery. Merrily bouncing ball creates an image in the minds of the readers, and the words what and merrily have been repeated. Paragraph 2. Then he thinks of that there is no benefit of consoling the boy by saying that he will get another ball because he has other balls too. He is completely surrounded by sorrow as all the memories of the childhood days went down the harbor with the ball. This loss is unbearable for him and he is grief stricken. The poet says that he can't even tell the boy to take some money from him in order to buy another ball, as the new ball will not bring the sense of belongingness to the boy, but it will teach him an important lesson of life. The literary device used in the paragraph number 2 is repetition, where the word ball has been repeated. Coming to paragraph number 3, the poet says that the boy has to learn that in this materialistic world, many of his belongings will be lost, be it the worldly things or the relationships he is in possession of. And he has to learn to live without them and move on. He says no one can buy back such things. The poet said so because, according to him, money can't buy you everything. The literary devices used in this paragraph are alliteration, where the sound B is repeated in buys a ball back. Besides that, there is repetition of ball many a times. Now, coming to the question answers of the poem. First question is, why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? The poet does not want to intrude on the boy or offer him money to buy another ball so that the boy can get a chance to learn the real truth of life. He has to learn to accept the loss. The loss here means the most important thing or relationship. Coming to question number 2. Do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Is it linked to the memories of days when he played with it? Certainly. Yes, we can say that the boy had the ball for a very long time. The line itself, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went, describes how the boy recalls those days when he used to play with the ball. The ball was surely linked to some sweet memories of his playing with the ball. Coming to the next question, what does in the world of possessions means? In the world of possession means the world is full of materialistic things. Materialistic things are those things which bring comfort and luxuries in life. Next question. Do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Pick out the word that suggests the answer. The line in the poem, now he senses his first responsibility, very clearly shows that the boy has not lost anything before. Coming to the next question. What does the poet say? The boy is learning from the loss of the ball. The poet means that the boy will learn the real truth of life. He will learn how to move on in life despite losses. Everyone experiences this in his or her life when they lose something or someone. This harsh reality that lost things never come back make people strong enough to live their life by accepting this truth of life.